Never like chicken pot pies. Motherfucking chop chicken on a roll. The girl is a pretty pot. I'ma cut his neck down. What can you do with a donkey? Willy chicken neck, chicken hunting, gotta love it. Beat him with the 12 gauge bucket. Chicken nuggets. All over the grass. There's been a hound dog and eat him up fast. Just as long as you can't cock something. The band you got blood, guts, fingers and toes. You got blood, guts, fingers and toes. You got blood, guts, fingers and toes. Chicken don't know at the chicken show. So who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Come motherfucking chicken down. Right. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Call a motherfucking chicken hut. Right. Let me get a chicken sandwich with manwich. Been a wreck on a chicken neck. I'm chopping up, Billy, oh Billy. You got shot, motherfucking redneck Billy. Well, I'm teaching you, tell me what did I see? I see the chicken boy, fucking these sheep. I say, listen, what the fuck you trying to do? Pebbles in your mouth, bullets in your head, the back of your neck's all over this shit. With a boom, chop, chop, bang. I do dope, but it ain't no thing. Two kind of chicken, drinking, clicking. Roll up his head, but his feet still kicking. Last as long as you can't talk something. The redneck chicken head hits the fan, you got blood, guts, fingers and toes. You got blood, guts, fingers and toes. You got blood, guts, fingers and toes. Shit, bro, with the chicken show. So who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Who's going chicken hut? Please go chicken hut. Cut a motherfucking chicken down. Right. Who's going chicken hut?